guys, welcome to another video for Advancing Car. Today we've got T6.1 in for genuine rear LED light upgrade with the dual fog activation as well. So let's go around the back and have a look. So here we go, factory rear LEDs. We're a big fan of these. They look loads nicer than the original halogen kind of low-end simple ones. They've just got a much smarter look to them, and the slight tint they've got, especially on a grey van like this, I think they work really, really nicely, dead smart looking. And obviously now loads brighter and a lot more effective. So what I'll do is I'll go just poke them on, so they've got like the hazards on and just the rear lights on, and then we've got a little run through of how they look with reversing lights and dual fog and everything like that. So I'll go chuck them on and then we're going to have a little look. So there we go. So we've got rear lights on with the indicators going, and you can see the difference in the footage we've done before and after, how much brighter these are under these lights, which is almost like a daylight sort of thing. And then we've also done a little run through with the lights off, so you can see even more how much brighter they are than the originals. They're just dead smart looking lights. Really nice upgrade to your van. And we've done loads of them on T6s, and I think we're going to we'll gradually do more on T6.1s as more come through. But yeah, just cracking little upgrades, especially on this colour of van. It's brilliant. And if you're interested in any kind of rear light upgrades, headlight upgrades, or anything for your transport really, we do pretty much everything. Jump onto the website, have a look at what we do, get in contact with us, come and see us, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.